Hello, my name is Tom Frost. I'm a MSM software consultant with BMC Software. Welcome to this MainView console management short training presentation in which I will review the General Settings System Information tab options. Assuming you have MainView console management server up and running, let's log on as administrator to the MVCM server to gather some debugging and system status information. We're now on the General Settings page. The first tab on this page is Systems Information. This page has some useful information about the server and the application. The leftmost column shows disk usage. In our example here, we see our disk is 300 gigabyte and we're using about 1%. This is our demo server. We do have about 11 CCS sessions and 3 console automation servers running. Yet you notice we are only using 4 gigabyte of hard disk drive. This is quite typical. The middle column is memory usage. Memory is most likely the first constraint on a MVCM server. The number of CCS sessions, the number of automation servers, the number of sessions, and the number and complexity of the rules determine how much memory is required. This should be monitored for new installs and any major changes. Be careful here. Do not allow the system to page. Rather than paging, plan to add memory. The third column is process information. Up top is a link that will run the Linux ps-ef command to show what processes are running on the server. Use this check to verify that services are running or to determine what processes are overutilizing memory or CPU. The output looks like this. It's sorted by virtual memory size. Next is the Show Server Ports link. This is a key report. Use it when things don't seem to be working right. It shows you what ports are defined and if there are any duplicates. You see the duplicates are highlighted in yellow. Use this after any configuration update to check out your port settings. You can export this into a CSV file format for documentation. Last in the list is Show Network Status. This runs a few Linux network commands to show the status and stats of the Ethernet cards in the server. Look for collisions, drop packets, overruns. There should be very few, if any, of these. You can continue down here and see there's more output. There's a netstat command run, a route command, an ARP command, an ETH tool on down the page. There is one more important item on this tab. It's the Download System Snapshot. This will collect all the logs, run the show commands and capture the output, and collect more Linux debug information. Put it all into a zip file that you can download to your desktop and then turn around FTP to BMC support. Use this whenever you have a problem that may be server related. By the way, this does not capture the configuration. You need to collect that separately under Saved Configurations. Save the file, rename it with a customer name and date, and send it on to the BMC support FTP server. Let them know that the file is there and what name you used so they can find it. That's all for today. Thank you for your time, and please join us again for more MainView management short training videos.